a quick testimonial for your course. Your course is really, really good. Okay, I'll be honest. I've bought other Google Ad courses, and I'm not going to call any names out, but they weren't as good. But I bought your course. I've watched your videos for a while. I'm like, screw it. I'm going to buy your course. I'm going to see how this thing works. And everything that you taught me, I've been kind of implementing into this campaign, and it's been working well. So,
awesome.
Yeah. So
thank you very much for that.
Yeah, for sure. If anyone's on the edge, definitely give it a shot. So
thank you. I tried to, like, when I made it, I actually made it. I always tell this story. Where I made it first, and then Ed's book. I'm like, I spent like literally like a couple of weeks doing all these videos and stuff. And then I go, Ed, here, I'm done. Check it out. He's like, oh, it's great. Hey, you got to do it again.
Yeah, I was like, this ain't gonna fly. This is awesome. It's not gonna work.
He's like, yeah, you got to go more granular. You got to break it down more. You're too high level. And I'm like, all right. So then I made a